Hello and welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we are going to be taking a look at a brand new 2026 Toyota BZ XLE all-wheel drive finished in midnight black metallic. Starting off the front here, we've got our LED headlights and fog lights, as well as all of our sensors on the front bumper. Coming along to the side here, we've got our 18-inch alloy wheels with the covers mounted on there. Here's our charging port. Nice overshot of that midnight black metallic. Also got this updated light bar that goes all the way across. Our BZ badging there. Our backup cam. And our battery electric vehicle all-wheel drive badging. We've also got blind spot detection on both mirrors, of course. And under the hood of the BZ, we get a 77 kilowatt-hour battery delivering 338 horsepower and an estimated driving range of 468 kilometers. Coming along here to the interior, we've got a durable cloth seating for the interior. Plenty of storage in our door pockets, as well as all of our window controls and auto-folding mirrors. We've got all-weather mats for those harsh Albertan winters. Our auto-beam headlights, as well as our trunk button there. And we've got leather stitched on all of the sides, bolstering the seats here, as well as our powered seats. Little pass-through window there under the center console. We've got our push-button start here. A 7-inch digital gauge cluster, all of our hands-free audio controls and driving assists. We also get this massive 14-inch multimedia touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, backup cam built right in there. We've also got all of our climate controls on there, heated steering wheel and front heated seats as well. Got independent climate controls for the front occupants, as well as 2 wireless phone chargers, our gear selection modes, all of our drive selection modes, cup holders, and a massive center console there for storage. Got all of our cabin lighting controls, as well as garage door opener directly mounted onto the rearview mirror. Coming into the back here, we've got multiple different seating positions for the rear occupants. We've also got 2 USB-C charging ports there for the rear occupants. Plenty of storage in the doors, as well as our cup holder there. Coming along to the back, we've got a button to open it right up. Also got a button on the key fob as well. And under here, we've got storage compartment for all of our charging accessories, our tonneau cover, lighting in the back there, as well as an AC volt adapter, and our closing buttons there. Thank you for checking out the all-electric, brand new 2026 Toyota BZ XLE all-wheel drive. And as always, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.